Looking for shinglebacks. Gosh, dude.
There is a shingleback near.
Shingleback near. Oh, dude. I'm excited. I'm getting pumped now. Yeah! Whoa. Now that is what they're supposed to look like. So before we get started with this video, I want to tell you why we're in Australia. So the purpose of us being in Australia, Todd Driggers raised a fundraiser for the animals that are currently suffering in Australia due to the fires and the burns and the droughts that are happening in Australia as we speak. Dr. Driggers set a goal of $2,000 for this fundraiser on Facebook and has raised up to $74,000 and is still raising, and every penny of that money is going directly to the animals that are suffering and the people who are working very hard to help these animals. He has been able to raise this money because so many people know his love and passion for animals, as he is a veterinarian and has worked his entire life to save animals who are suffering and just might not have a chance, but he works every single day to give the animals who are suffering a second chance. So for Dr. Driggers to show his appreciation to all the people who donated, he not only sent the money to these people, but he actually flew down himself and hand-delivered and hand-picked the people who are working their hardest to save these animals and the people that he trusts the most. We went out and we visited many sanctuaries and walked through ourselves and contributed ourselves and worked hard to helping these animals in person ourselves, so that he could get a good idea on who he was sending the money to and making sure it was going to a good cause. And all of the travel fees and such were all funded out of our own pocket and not out of the fundraiser itself. Now, as you can imagine, in time in between, we tried our best to do some herping and searching for critters ourselves and seeing the animals in their natural habitat, which is really fun. And not only were we able to herp, but we were able to relieve some of the animals that were suffering from the drought. Without further ado, here are some clips of some in-between time where we were able to get the opportunity to go out and search for some critters before we had to jump on and continue to do some more work. So it is.
Whatever way does not include bikers.
Oh gosh, it's been so scary. There's been these bikers the past, we came here just in time because they're here for 2 weeks, where the roads are entirely filled. Look at how fast they're going, holy crud.
It's really hilly and curvy.
We keep almost hitting them, and it's really scary. There they are! But anyway, we spent the entire morning taking care of koalas. How many were there? Around 80. And we just got the work done, and it was a lot of fun scooping a lot of koala poo. I got poo under my nails. It was really yummy. You did too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Temporarily closed until the tour comes through.
We have to wait for bikers. We're waiting on the side of the road because these bikers are going to be coming through. But yeah, we're going to have a helicopter fly over us here in a second because they're filming these bikers. It's actually quite impressive, but also kind of annoying when you're trying to get somewhere. It's getting real. You're not making any sound, Driggs. I don't think they can hear you. It's a whole herd.
A whole herd of bikers. My God.
Whoa.
If one person falls, they all die.
Looking for shinglebacks. All right, we're having a look-see. Getting out. Seeing if we can find our first shingleback. Wombat poo. Wombat burrows. Dude, could you imagine seeing a wombat? Supposedly, things sit under the bushes. Gosh, dude, that's a big one. Shingleback near. Oh, dude, I'm excited. I'm getting pumped now. Crazy. That's made the shinglebacks up.
Yep.
They don't exist. Shingleback, baby! Yeah, dude! Oh, look at it, dude! Oh, look at it! Oh my gosh!
Yep.
What?
good eye. Holy dude. Is that?
It's
it?
one.
Wow. Berk, good eye, man.
He's emaciated like crazy. He's
Oh,
like
yeah.
half dead almost.
Well, we'll get him some water, man.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He is skinny.
He is. He needs some more time. He hasn't had it in a while. Look at that. Shingleback skink right there. I came up and I thought it was just poop and I almost turned around. We're gonna give this guy some water. Some water. Oh yeah. Girl's high. Oops. There you go. Australia is dry, dry, dry. I'm really excited about the shingleback, but I'm really, really sad to see the conditions of these animals. Really sad. Shingleback skink. This is something I wanted to see, like, it was high, high, high on my list. And then we started driving this, and seeing these dry conditions, I started beginning to have my doubts a little, but it happened. Unfortunately, this guy is very, very dehydrated. Yeah, and this is usually a good fat storage, but he's got like no fat in his body.
Nearly as fat as his head.
Yeah, look at that. Really, really cool lizard. I'm really stoked about it. Look at how cool that lizard is. He was just sitting
Yeah, perfectly
wrapped around the bush. So we're trying our best to give this guy some food and water. Drake's just went around picking some stuff that's at least, yeah, it's got some moisture in it, something that it might take. Doing whatever we can to boost him and hoping that he gets rain sooner than later. And it's really unfortunate. I mean, he doesn't got like any food out here either. It's so dry. And he's got no source of water. And I wouldn't be surprised if many other shinglebacks and other reptiles like this are just as emaciated. This video. Yeah! Whoa! Now that is what they're supposed to look like. That's a healthy one, dude.
Yeah.
There we go. Here is another shingleback skink. Much healthier, much more active. That color is gorgeous. Hey, dude. Look at that. Another shingleback skink. I mean, look at how big that lizard is.
Look how shiny he is.
Man, I love watching this thing walk. Look at that. Look at that. Look at you. Oh, look at you. You're a little grumpy feller. Huh. I love his little tongue that's going on. If you look at the tail and the head, they look very similar. And they'll actually act like this is the head, which is actually kind of cool. See? They look very similar, which is really, really cool. Yeah, because if you actually look at it right now, when he's flicking his tongue out like that, it actually just looks kind of pointy. But when he gets upset, see if he does it. When he's walking around, oh, he's just there. Is that tongue in there? Very cool. Really, really cool skink. Gonna get some photos with us together with it, and with a healthy shingleback.
Yeah, it's nice to see.
It's nice to see something that doesn't look half dead. So, really, really cool. Get the full experience. Really, really gorgeous looking. That black coloration.
Yep.
Made the shingleback happen. He's enjoying the water. There he goes. You little bum.
He still has a little
Little something for his troubles. Yeah. Cool. Shingleback, man.
You did it. You did it, man. You did it.
They didn't play.
It wasn't downloaded or
What a good little gate boy.
Okay. That is pretty sketcy. Well, apparently I'm being summoned to die. I'm going in a wombat hole and they're gonna bury me. Good day, good day. And how you going?
Bye-bye.